I'm Jelle and you're watching Fluffy Garage, and today we are doing a very small unboxing. I have tights that I bought from Taobao, and I have this package from another Lolita YouTuber located in Australia, and she's called Silver Wraith on YouTube, and she sent me this to open. Let's go! So let's open this from Silvana first, and she also added a very cute washi tape on the back. There's tons of things inside. Wow. Okay, so first of all there is a letter on a super cute stationery. So she's Peachy Lolita Princess on Facebook, I think. Okay, so very cute. She sent me stickers from dogs and some letters, like Scrabble letters, and also cats. Kawaii. And okay, there's a ton of small packages. Okay, this one has fluffy toy washi tape on it, and I'm super confused because I'm pretty sure that I shipped it to her, or maybe she bought it from me before. Maybe. Ooh, it's tea time. Super cute. She wrote it's tea time, and there are 2 packages of tea, cranberry and pomegranate, fruit flavor infusion. Super cool. That's super cool, and she even drew a tea time here. That's super cute. Yay! I love tea. That's perfect. Yay! Thank you so much. It's super cute. I love the colors. Super cute, and mint here. Amazing. And what's this? Ooh. These are 2 charms, like phone charms, or I don't know. So it's made out of Fimo, I guess. And this is a cupcake. Super cute. Nice. And this one says cute gems cabochon for craft. She knows me, I love crafting. And there's a cat here. That is so cute. And the super cute envelope, I think she did a video to make a very easy envelope based on any piece of paper. That's really cool. Ooh, tons of cute things. Okay, there is tons of things like big gems, like heart-shaped gems. Another heart-shaped gem. It's fake, of course, like flat back cabochon. And hearts and bows. And oh, this is a tiny like cutie head, and ooh, those are pretty. Tons of cute things. I don't know if you can see that. I will do close-ups anyways. Thank you so much for sending me all this, Silvana. That's very nice of you. And I also sent her stuff, and she is also doing a video about what I sent her. Yay! So I will link the video of what I sent her so you can watch it. And next is some tights. Basically, if you've seen videos where I'm talking about tights, most likely you've seen these tights. They're like my favorite ever tights. I bought them on AliExpress, like very early on starting Lolita. And actually I love those because they go with everything. Like tons of sweet stuff I can put that with, or classic. Anyways, I wear them all the time, and you can say that they're totally destroyed everywhere. And even though they're washed, some shoes like stained on it, and it has a big hole here that I tried. I even made a video to how to stop a tight for running with nail polish and everything, but the damage was too big and I couldn't do anything to save them. So I just wanted to buy new ones, but they were out of stock of that particular color, and I also have them in black, but I don't wear them at all actually. And I really wanted these ones, and I could not find them, and I could find other ones, but then I was like, if I find a different one, there will probably be cases in which I would probably prefer wearing this one than the other different one, and that means that I won't be able to get rid of these. And the fact that my whole thumb like feet thumb goes here. Inside of it makes it super uncomfortable to walk with, and it's really like almost broken here. So really, I just want to throw these away. So I looked everywhere and all the Taobao sellers, and I found them, I think, on my Lolita dress, and I finally was able to buy some. So now let's hope that it's the one that I want. It is. And I bought like 3 pairs because shipping was expensive. So the more you bought, the shipping was less. And then I bought 3 freaking pairs of the same tights because I love them so much that in case I break them again, because definitely I will, because they're like, you know, they will probably damage, then I can just switch and throw them away. And I'm so happy that it's the actual one that I wanted. Yay! So yep, I will put the link down below to these tights because I love them so much. It's like a flower baroque design, like almost like this kind of design, and totally goes with everything. It goes with sweet, and it goes with classic, and even a black one could go with gothic Lolita. So really, really I love it. The only thing is that they do have a mint and pink version. Can't remember if it's pink on mint or mint on pink. And even though I have tons of mint and pink stuff in my wardrobe, I actually think the pink is too bright. I think it's, yeah, the tights are mint and the print is pink, and I think it's too weird and too bright. So I really prefer wearing these even with the pastel things because it kind of works. So those are almost like gold, and this ivory thing works. Anyways, so that was a super quick video just to show you new stuff that I bought. So thank you for watching, and if you liked that video, please consider subscribing and liking it, and go watch Silvana's channel in the link that I will put in the card at the end of the video. Thank you very much, and see you soon. Bye bye.